This is not just a video. This is a rescue mission for your mind. You are not lazy. You are not weak. You are not broken. You are simply full. Your mind has been carrying too much for too long, and today we are going to release that weight together. These are not hacks. These are not tricks. These are 15 calms, ancient, powerful practices to heal your mind, body, and soul. Let's begin. Calm 1. Silence. Sit. Breathe. Be still. The world is always shouting. Notifications, deadlines, voices, noise. But silence is where the mind resets. Every day, sit in complete silence for at least 10 minutes. No music, no talking, just you and your breath. Your brain will thank you. Calm 2. Slow breathing. When stress rises, your breathing becomes shallow and fast. That tells your body, we are in danger. But you can flip the switch. Breathe in slowly for 4 seconds. Hold for 4 seconds. Exhale for 6 seconds. Do this 5 times. Your nervous system will calm down like magic. Calm 3. Nature. Screens drain you. Nature heals you. Touch a tree. Walk barefoot on grass. Feel the sun on your skin. When you connect with the earth, your mind finds balance again. Calm 4. Journaling. Your brain is not a storage unit. It's not meant to hold every worry, every thought, every fear. Write it down. Empty your mind onto paper. Don't judge, don't edit, just release. Your journal becomes your therapist, your mirror, your friend. Calm 5. Gratitude. The mind loves to focus on what's missing. But healing begins when you notice what's already here. Every night, write down 3 things you're grateful for. Big or small, it doesn't matter. Gratitude shifts your brain from scarcity to abundance. Calm 6. Detachment. Not everything deserves space in your head. That person who hurt you, that mistake from years ago, that regret you keep replaying, let it go. Detach. Whisper to yourself, they do not live rent-free in my mind anymore. Calm 7. Movement. Your body holds emotions. Stress lives in your shoulders. Sadness hides in your chest. Anger sits in your jaw. Move, stretch, dance, walk, run. When your body moves, your mind heals. Calm 8. Minimalism. Clutter outside creates clutter inside. Clean your space. Organize your desk. Donate what you don't use. When your environment is clear, your thoughts become clear. Calm 9. Forgiveness. Holding on to anger is like drinking poison and expecting the other person to die. Forgive, not for them, for you. Release the weight. Forgiveness sets you free. Calm 10. Rest. You don't need to earn rest. Rest is not a reward. It is fuel. Sleep deeply. Nap if you need to. Close your eyes and recharge. When the body rests, the mind repairs. Calm 11. Acceptance. Life will never go exactly as planned. Pain comes not from what happens, but from resisting what happens. Accept reality as it is, then move with it, not against it. Acceptance is not weakness, it is strength. Calm 12. Laughter. Laughter is medicine. It releases tension. It opens the heart. It heals the soul. Watch something funny. Laugh with a friend.
Even fake a laugh, it still helps. Calm 13. Stillness in water. Imagine muddy water. If you stir it, it stays cloudy. If you leave it still, it clears. Your mind is the same. Sit still. Be patient. Let your thoughts settle like water. Clarity comes in stillness. Calm 14. Service. When you feel lost, help someone else find their way. Serve. Give. Be kind. When you lift others, your spirit rises too. Calm 15. Presence. The past is memory. The future is imagination. The only real life is here, now. Feel your breath. Notice the ground under your feet. Listen to the sounds around you. Be here. Be alive. You are not broken. You are not weak. You are human, and humans heal. Practice these 15 calms, not all at once, one by one, step by step, and your mind will remember peace again. If this message reached you, let it stay with you. And if you need more healing, more calm, more strength, subscribe. Not for me, for you. Because this is your journey back to peace, and you are not alone.